Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Chrome working in Incognito mode only on Windows PC. So to resolve this problem, firstly close Chrome browser, and also you can close and exit Chrome browser using the. So first thing you have to do, open. So first thing you have to do, right click on taskbar, then task manager. Now here find out Chrome icon, select it. So select Chrome icon, then click on End Task. Now close it, then open File Explorer. Now here click on these three dots. Click on Options, View, and click on Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. Then click on OK. Now press Windows key plus R. Now paste this command line. I will give description. So copy and paste. Then click on OK. Now here right click on Default Folder and delete it. Just you have to guys right click on default folder and delete. So this is the setting guys you can fix and resolve Google Chrome browser problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.